Geometry, once you have figured out how to reflect something, you need to be able to find the point of reflection. So I'm going to go through this with 3 different examples. So to find the point of reflection, you take the image and the pre-image and you connect the image and the pre-image with segments. So this part here connects with that dot down here. This vertex and that vertex are reflections of each other. Anytime you reflect through a point, you do invert the image, you make it go upside down. So this point goes with that point, and this point here goes with that point over there. And you can see that all of these lines go through exactly the same point, this point right here. And it's not a really good point, it's a little off, but it is on the y value of 2, and it looks like I'm about, and I'm just going to kind of guess here, I think I'm at negative 1, and we'll say 0.75 and 2. And I'm going to call that my point of reflection on this one. Point of reflection. Okay, so that's where I think my point of reflection is on this one. So for the next one, let's go with some semicircles. Do the same thing. I'm going to connect this edge to the opposite edge, and this edge here to its opposite edge. And it looks like the point of reflection here, point of reflection is, I'm going to call it 0, 0, the origin. Looks like it goes pretty much right through the origin. And then the last one, this oval here. Again, I'm going to draw the rays or the segments to the opposite because it inverts whenever it reflects. And I'm going to call this point of reflection, and it looks like that is 0, -1. Okay, so that's how you do the point of reflection. Connect its point to its opposite, connecting its points to its opposite, and connecting its points to its opposite. And then you kind of just see where they all cross. They should all cross at the same. In drafting class, that's called your point of perspective. It's also called that in art class, so your point of perspective.